Hi, my name is Eddie Wong, and I'm currently an animal science / pre-veterinary major at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. Definitely working with animals has always been, I usually shy away from the word passion, but it has been a passion of mine. Vet school just seems like the next logical step for being able to learn how to heal and how to help and just how to better animals in general. So one of the things that I like about UMass Create is that it really is a flexible program. There are just so many add-ons and plugins that the program that UMass Create uses for its website incorporates. It really feels like anything that I want to do, it gives me the resources and the tools to use it. So what I want to do in the future with UMass Create is start using it as like an update platform for all my friends still here at UMass. I'm actually graduating a little early, so all my friends are still here. I want to have a way to post updates about my life at vet school and just all the challenges and experiences that I'll see in the future.